Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Andre, and today what we're gonna look at are how we treat the TH in Jamaican and how we use the word want. Coming up after this. Welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and do full part for preserve the Jamaican culture. We cover a whole heap of ground, and as you may notice, me there use more and more Jamaican as the lessons are progress. And what I want to do, I keep it going. In this lesson, we're going to look at two ways in how we treat the TH in Jamaican and how we also pronounce the word want. So without further ado, make we get into the video. All right, so the first way the TH is different in Jamaican are when it make the sound. Doesn't matter if it lands in the front, middle, or end of a word. That the sound in Jamaican is converted to a D and make the D sound. For example, common words starting with the TH like the, that, this, them, and than become the, that, this, them, and than. And this is going to be how we will use them going forward. Examples of the TH in the middle of the word being converted to D are other, mother, father, brother, and leather. We would pronounce them other, mother, father, brother, or brother, and leather. This also works with words ending in TH that make the sound. Example, bathe, soothe, smooth, and with would be pronounced bid, soothe, smooth, and with. See an example here using altery. The smooth sound of the weather outside, our mother love to hear. It soothe her when she's stressed. Me like the sunsets with a nice drink. That a for me stress relief. We will use these going forward to help them become more familiar. The second way the TH is different in Jamaican are when it make what me call the airy th sound. Also doesn't matter if it lands in the front, middle, or end of the word. The H is eliminated. And what you're left with are just the pronunciation of the hard T. For example, we could start with words ending with the airy TH sound. So words like thanks, think, theater, thesaurus, and thief would be pronounced thanks, think, theater, thesaurus, and thief. When the airy TH land in the middle, we have words like authentic, author, pathetic, or names like Kathy and Martha being pronounced authentic, author, pathetic, Kathy, and Martha. When the airy TH ends a word, we have words like strength, mouth, faith, and tenth being pronounced strength, mouth, faith, and tenth. So the differences are subtle between the and th. But whenever you hear the pronunciation, it's replaced with a D. And whenever you hear the airy th pronunciation, the H is removed and you're left with the hard T. We could look at a word in two different variations to cement this point. If we take the word south, in Jamaican, we would pronounce it south because of the airy TH ending. But that same word as southern, in a Jamaican, we would pronounce southern because the TH makes the sound. It will get clearer as we progress. The last thing we want to go over are the word want. Not much to this actually. For this word, we usually just drop the T at the end, add an extra A, and pronounce it want. You will see some people write it like this, but for all intents and purposes, we're going to keep writing it want. Before we wrap up, we could have a little dialogue with everything we learned so far, since we have covered a whole heap of ground before we move forward. Me love a whole heap of things about my mother. She always did it for we. The sacrifices that she make to give we a better life, we can't thank her enough. We do our best to make her proud. And the reasons we make, so she can see that our labor was not in vain. She's a pillar of strength like no other. We're lucky that we get to call her mommy. Alright, so what we don't know is at the end of another video. We're going to keep using what we learn in future lessons. Thank you again for hanging out with me. But until next time, as always, see you on the next one and take it easy.